lovelies, welcome back to my channel. बहुत दिन हो चुका है that I have not uploaded a lengthy video मेरे YouTube पे, so I thought why not just sit down, talk to you guys कि क्या चल रहा है, how everything has been going on. मैंने थोड़े से inspirations लिए थे Pinterest से to create something summary and towards something little yellow, and I created this look. I absolutely love how it turned out. So अगर आप भी जानना चाहते हो कि how I got this look, stay tuned and let's get started. I have already finished off doing my eyebrows. वो बहुत टाइम लगता है and I also kind of changed the way I do my eyebrows. तो अगर आपको पसंद लगा है do let me know in the comment section down below. मैं आपको एक separate video ज़रूर बना के दिखा दूँगी. So मैंने already moisturize कर लिया है मेरा face, and for that I have used my vitamin C Godal serum. But on top of that मैं अपना primer लगाऊंगी. This is the Maybelline Fit Me primer और ये dewy and smooth variant का है, and I have been really loving this. बहुत ही moisturizing है and also not too heavy on the face. So ये moisturizer and also primer के जैसा act करता है. So मैं इसको अपने T-zone पे लगाऊंगी and also जो भी बचा कुचा है मैं अपने फेस पे ऑल अराउंड स्प्रेड कर दूंगी. एज यू कैन सी द प्राइमर इज़ नाइस एंड सेट. फॉर द फाउंडेशन आई एम चूजिंग समथिंग रियली लाइट वेट, बट मुझे थोड़ा बहुत कवरेज भी चाहिए. आई डोंट वांट एक्सट्रीम कवरेज नॉर एक्सट्रीम लाइट लाइक अ बीबी क्रीम और एनीथिंग. सो उसके लिए आई हैव चोजन दी बिका स्किन लव फाउंडेशन. दिस इज़ अ वेटलेस ब्लर फाउंडेशन एंड मेरा शेड इसमें बैम्बू है. टू ब्लेंड आउट द फाउंडेशन मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ मेरा रियल टेक्निक्स का बफर ब्रश, एंड मैं इसको जस्ट स्लाइटली अपने फेस पे बफ कर दूँगी. सो वाइल आई ब्रश दिस ऑल ओवर माई फेस, जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू अपडेट मेरे डे टू डे लाइफ के बारे में. आई स्टे इन हैदराबाद इफ़ यू गाइज डोंट नो, एंड वी आर बैक अगेन इन लॉकडाउन बिकॉज केसेस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ रहे हैं, एंड यू नो वी आर बैक to the lockdown, and it's said that the lockdown is extended. So yeah, I just recommend everyone of you to just stay at home, take care of your family, and just don't go out guys. We just finished Eid as well. मैं actually Eid के दिन vlog करना चाहती थी but हो नहीं पाया. I hope next year I'll be able to vlog a little bit of my Eid, how I celebrate and all. So that's that. सो जैसे आप देख सकते हो ये फाउंडेशन बहुत ही फ्लॉलेस फिनिश देता है, पर एट द सेम टाइम आई डोंट फील इट हैवी और एनीथिंग. इट जस्ट फील्स अ लॉट मोर नेचुरल एंड बहुत इजी है ब्लेंड करने के लिए, एंड इसलिए मैं मेरा फाउंडेशन ब्रश यूज़ कर रही हूँ. यूजुअली मैं फाउंडेशन ब्रशेस यूज़ नहीं करती, बट फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर फाउंडेशन इट्स रियली कन्वीनियंट फॉर मी टू जस्ट buff out everything. Also मैंने 1.5 pump लिया था, and you can see there is a lot more of the foundation left. तो a little bit goes a long way. Also guys, अगर आपने भी ईद सेलिब्रेट किया हो तो let me know how was it. मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं किया. We were just staying at home. I have my sister and her family visiting at our place, so we kind of celebrated with them, and it was pretty fun. बहुत मज़ा आया हमें, but at the same time I couldn't visit my in-laws, so hopefully next year I'll be able to visit them, or at least Eid Ramzan के लिए will visit them. Other than that मैंने मेहंदी लगाया. If you can see it's already wearing off. So this was done by my sister and this is done by me. मुझे ज़्यादा नहीं आता but I kind of tried. Let me zoom you guys a little in. And जैसे आप देख सकते हो the foundation is nice and blended. ज़्यादा heavy नहीं है but it gives nice coverage. It's not full coverage because you can definitely see my beauty marks, little bit of my skin peeking through and all that. So yeah, flawless है but at the same time it's not full coverage. So now that my foundation is nice and applied, I think it's set as well. काफ़ी टाइम हो चुका है इसको ब्लेंड करे हुए. सो कंसीलर के लिए आई एम यूजिंग द स्विस ब्यूटी लिक्विड कंसीलर, एंड इसका शेड है 03, एंड आई थिंक इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड सैंड इफ़ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन. ये मैंने नायका पे से ख़रीदा. दिस वॉज ऑन सम ऑफर. इट्स नॉट हाई कवरेज कंसीलर, सो अगर आप देख रहे हो कि मैंने ऑलमोस्ट अंडर आइज कवर कर लिए हैं, That's because it is not the highest coverage concealer. And मैं इसको मेरे Jaclyn Hill JH07 brush से blend कर रही हूँ. Nykaa had this summer sale going on, I think a couple of weeks back. मैंने कुछ नहीं खरीदा उस सेल से. Let me know if you guys have purchased anything. There were definitely quite a few nice deals, especially with the high-end brands. I think Too Faced had this offer जहाँ पे you get a kit of I think their mascara and their lip injection. I think it was reasonably priced. बहुत सारे offers थे. Even MAC Cosmetics had this beautiful offer of getting a free lipstick or something. And there were a lot of offers, guys. मैंने देखा था, but I didn't purchase anything because you know it was already too late for me. यहाँ पे लॉकडाउन चल रहा था and I was just not feeling to purchase or order anything at that particular point of time. And maybe that's why I was not motivated enough to do much of videos. So the time I purchased this Swiss Beauty wala concealer, I also got my hands on the K Beauty contour stick, and this one is in the shade Cocoa Focus. It just comes in the standard packaging of K Beauty. The first time that I used this, I was shocked on its performance because ये इतना easily blend होता है. It just blends off and disappears into my skin. I think मैंने Indian market में ऐसा कुछ नहीं देखा, and it was really a great experience when I first time tried this. I'm just using very light hand. जैसे आप देख रहे हो मैंने सिर्फ इसका टिप यूज़ कर रही हूँ to blend, and it's just blended so quickly and easily. I think this is one of the best products from K Beauty that I have seen, क्योंकि ये definitely बहुत ही high end standard से match करता है. For the bronzer मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ The Body Shop's Honey Bronzer. I think you can find this at the Body Shop store. I was actually trying to find the link for this मेरे कुछ videos के लिए, and you know to link it in the description. The lighter shades are available on their official website, I mean the Body Shop's website. So अगर आप lighter shades ढूंढ रहे हो, you can definitely find it over there. But coming to the darker shades, I think you'll find it on Amazon. So as you can see, मैं अपने ये bronzer अपने cheekbones पे भी ला रही हूँ. It just gives a nice warmth मेरे cheekbones पे भी. For the blush, I'm going to use the NARS Orgasm blush. काफ़ी दिन हो चुके हैं that I have not used this. You know, I don't like to buy you know expensive products and not use them. You know, आजकल कहीं जाने के लिए है नहीं, so I'm not been using this at all. मेरे just stash में पड़ा हुआ है, so I thought why not, let's just use this. बहुत ही beautiful blush है. It has this nice golden reflex to it that I really like. Just applying right on my cheekbones and also bringing it close to my nose. For the eye look, मैंने थोड़े बहुत inspirations लिए हैं Pinterest से, and I found this beautiful look. It has this nice iridescent yellow on the inner corner and even just middle of the lid bay. It's pretty summery and beautiful. I kind of want to take inspiration from this. I might not do exactly ऐसे, but kind of little similar. So let's give it a try. Now for the eyeshadow palette, I'm using Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. It has this beautiful summery shades, especially this yellow. बहुत ही अच्छा palette है. I think I ordered this directly from Juvia's Place website. तो मैं इसका link आपको description में दे दूँगी. I don't know अभी कितने दिन में deliver होगा, but for me I think it took around 15 days to get delivered, and it was pretty easy. मैं start कर रही हूँ yellow shade से. This shade over here, and मैं एक fluffy blending brush use कर रही हूँ. This is by PAC. Actually before starting, I'm going to prime my eyelids. I'm using the Alamar Cosmetics eye primer. अभी मैं ले रही हूँ back to that yellow shade, and I'm just going to apply this onto my crease. I'll just go all over this place. As you can see, the yellow shade is nicely blended all over my crease, and it's just looking so pretty. Next मैं ले रही हूँ मेरा Natasha Denona palette. I think this one is called Peak, and it's a beautiful palette, guys. इसमें मैं ले रही हूँ ये white shade आप कोई भी वाइट शेड ले सकते हो, बट आई जस्ट प्रेफर दिस वन। एंड मैं इसको मेरे ब्राउ बोन पे ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ सो दैट इट लुक्स डिफ्यूज्ड। एंड आप डिफरेंस देख सकते हो, इट जस्ट लुक्स मोर यूज्ड इनटू द येलो कंपेयर्ड टू दिस पर्टिकुलर आई। एंड नाउ जस्ट एट द सेंटर ऑफ माई लिड मैं ले रही हूँ एक ऑरेंजी शेड। आई एम यूजिंग दिस सेम Juvia's Place पैलेट and I'm picking up it's this one, so मैं ये flat domed brush use कर रही हूँ। Just apply it right in the center. एंड इट वॉज़ राइट हियर जहाँ पे मेरे हस्बैंड को एक ऑफिस कॉल आ गया एंड मैं वॉइस रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाई। वेल बेसिकली आई एम टेकिंग दी येलो मेटालिक शेड फ्रॉम मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन पैलेट एंड ब्लेंडिंग इट जस्ट एट द सेंटर ऑफ माई eyelid, and Juvia's Place palette से आई एम टेकिंग द येलो शेड अगेन एंड ब्लेंडिंग इट एट माई लोअर लैश। एंड आई एम टेकिंग द ऑरेंज शेड अगेन एंड इसको मैं मेरे लैश लाइन के बहुत ही क्लोज ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ। एंड देन आई एम यूजिंग द सेम ब्रश, इसको मैं थोड़ा सा वेट करूँगी एंड देन मैं वो शिमरी येलोइश ग्रीन काइंड ऑफ शेड जो मैंने अपने आईलिड पे लगाया है वही लूँगी एंड अपने इनर कॉर्नर पे लगाऊंगी। नाउ आई एम क्विकली गोइंग टू लाइन माई आईलिड्स, जिसके लिए आई एम यूजिंग माई ग्लैम स्टे डिफाइंड HD eyeliner. I think this is one of the best black eyeliners guys. I have to check इसमें अगर colored liners भी है क्या, because I really like this. So मैं जैसे line कर रही हूँ, if you see I'm going to apply just a straight line, बहुत ही close to my lash line. Well, that's done with the all eyeshadow part. अभी मैं अपने eyelashes को curl करूँगी and for the mascara I'm going to use two mascaras. एक है Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara and the other one is Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, and I really like this for the purpose of separating the lashes. आप देख सकते हो वीडियो में कि ये मेरे lashes को बहुत ही अच्छे से separate करता है, but it is not as black as I would like, so इसलिए मैं add करती हूँ the Falsies Push Up Drama from Maybelline because it is really dark and pigmented, just like that. And I use this same Maybelline mascara for my lower lashes as well. And before I forget, let me quickly apply my lip mole. Now अगर normal days में होता तो मैं इसको ऐसे ही छोड़ देती, but I want to apply lashes as well so that eyeshadow look kind of gets all together and थोड़ा सा presentable लगे. So I'm quickly going to apply my lashes, and for the lashes I'm using Dania Cosmetics luxury lashes. These are in the style Makena. So yeah, I'm quickly going to pop these lashes on and I will be right back. Those are the lashes applied guys. For the lip liner I'm going to use Forever 52 lip liner, and this one is in the number 16. ये थोड़ा सा कूल टोन ब्राउन है, मैं एक्चुअली एक वार्म टोन ब्राउन यूज़ करना चाह रही थी विच इज़ फ्रॉम K Beauty. आई थिंक आई हैड वन जो K Beauty का है बट मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है फ़िलहाल, तो मैं ये Forever 52 का यूज़ कर रही हूँ. एंड फॉर द लिपस्टिक आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ Blur Cosmetics का लिपस्टिक, एंड दिस वन इज़ इन द शेड Control Your Boyfriend. ये बहुत ही warmy kind of a shade है. I don't like their lipsticks at all because the moment they arrived and when I ordered this, I think ये मैंने last year order किया था, and they had all these stains and all, so I got a replacement of mine, but that was also like 5 महीने के बाद कुछ मुझे replacement मिला. So I'm not really happy with the customer service. I'm not going to purchase more of Blur Cosmetics के products, but ये पड़ा हुआ है, so I thought why not give it a go for this look. The shade is really pretty. It's more Kylie Jenner का shade, but the browner one, not the mauvier one. I just wish their customer service was also good. At the end of the day, it is brand's responsibility guys. जब वो लोग एक product बेचते हैं and it's not of the quality that we expect, तो at least we would want a quick replacement of it. But मुझे लगे almost 5 महीने for the replacement, and I'm not really happy with the customer service. But you can see the shade is so nice and pigmented. It is nice matte beautiful shade, बहुत ही यूनिक शेड्स हैं उनके पास, एंड मुझे ये बहुत ही पसंद आया. बट आई डोंट रिकमेंड यू, आपकी चॉइस है, अगर आप लेना चाहते हो यू कैन गो अहेड, but I'll not recommend their brand just because of their customer service. I'm quickly going to spritz my face with the Pixi Milk Mist or Hydrating Milky Mist. Love this mist. इसका mist, if you see, it's just so fine and defined. Like बहुत ही अच्छा mist है इसका when compared to the other mist that I have tried. बहुत ही अच्छा. So I'm going to quickly fix मेरा hair and I'll be right back. I just straightened my hair and I just remembered कि मैंने highlighter नहीं लगाया है. So we're going to apply a little bit of a highlighter. I'm going to take my Riviera palette and मैं ये वाला shade मेरे highlighter में mix करने वाली हूँ. For the actual highlighter I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and this shade is Molten Gold. I'm just going to mix it with Inheritance from Anastasia Beverly Hills का Riviera palette, dusting off as much as excess possible because I know कि ये shade बहुत ही glittery है, but I really want this gold kind of reflex to my highlighter. So I'm just dusting off जितना excess हो सके उतना and just brushing it on my cheekbones. Just यहाँ पे, if you see, just want that nice goldeny kind of glow. I've just straightened my hair a little bit and I think I want to put on this band. So yeah, let's do that. So जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो मैंने वापस से अपना headband लगा लिया. I released my bangs just थोड़ा सा बाहर से to give that retro kind of finish. And this is how the entire makeup has turned up, guys. I really love how this looks. Super summery, very easy, and I think बहुत सारे लोगों पे ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. I mean on western wear, on Indian wear and everything बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. If you recreate, do let me know. मेरे Instagram पे ज़रूर tag करना मुझे and I would love to see your recreations. The lashes kind of make this look more sultry and the lipstick, as I said, I really love the color, but मैं brand recommend नहीं करूँगी. I'll definitely see if I can find any dupes of this similar lip shade or same lip shade because browns बहुत ही easily मिल जाते हैं. It's a very unique kind of brown, you know, it has this mauviness to it, but at the same time it is brown, it is not chocolatey brown. So मैं hype नहीं करना चाहूँगी until I find a dupe of this lipstick because brand मैं हरगिज़ recommend नहीं करूँगी. They are just the worst customer service that I have been through. So yeah, enough of rambling, and if you like it, please hit a thumbs up. Comment me down below how was your Eid, how was your celebrations, आपने celebrate किया या नहीं, how's your lockdown been going on. Just leave me all that in the comment section down below and I would love to read them as well. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, उसका भी link मैं description box में डाल दूँगी. Just follow me over there for some tutorials and reels as well. Also I'm planning on doing my followers select the makeup products from my makeup stash to create a video. So उसके लिए भी I will have a poll kind of a thing मेरे Instagram पे. So if you want to participate on that, do follow me over there. And I think that's pretty much it, guys, and I'll see you soon in my next video.